Okay, this is Scarface, the helicopter scene. Okay, quick background, goes down to Bolivia to meet with Sosa, and they hang Omar. And here's the scene as he's walking down. Him and Sosa, okay?
I mean, I have to hand it to you, Mr. Sosa. You got everything in make a wall.
I like you, Tony. There is no lying in you. Unfortunately, I do not feel the same about the rest of your organization.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Sosa?
Talking about Omar Suarez. His garbage was recognized by my associate at launch. From several years ago in New York. He was an informer for the police. And they hang him. He put people to die in the Raymond Brothers and El Origino way for life. So how do I know you're not a Chivato too, Tony?
Right. Sosa. Let me get this straight. Wow. I never fucked anybody over in my life. Didn't ever. You got that? All I have in this world is my boss and my word. And I don't break them for no one. You understand? That piece of shit there, I never liked him. I never trusted him. For all I know, he had me set up. I had my friend Angel Fernandez killed. But that's history. I hear he's not. Do you want to go in with me? Just say it. You don't. But you make a move.
I think you speak from the heart, Montana. But I say to myself, this Lopez, your boss, he had Chivatos like that working for him. Judgment stinks. So I say to myself, how many other mistakes is this Lopez guy made? How can I trust his organization? You tell me, Tony.
Very smart, you know? I can't blame him for that, no. That's a crazy business for him. That could happen anyway. Even you know. Why don't I go back and talk to Frank? I work it out. I fix this between us. You got my word on that?
I think you and I can work this out together. Can do business together a long time. Just remember, I only tell you one time. Don't fuck me, Tony. Don't you ever try to fuck me. I was cracking up on that last part, man. Hey, hope you liked that. Planning on doing a lot more. Got a whole bunch of skits and a big project lined up. We're gonna do a lot more Scarface. Want to do Devil's Advocate. Want to do Scent of a Woman. Want to do Heat. Oh yeah, gotta do Heat. If you guys want to be the first to see it, if you want to comment, you want to give me some requests, that'd be cool. Love to hear from you. Shoot me an email. You can always email me at right here, TonyTakes at Yahoo. Sorry, gmail.com, not Yahoo. TonyTakes, it's right there, just read it, don't listen to me. Okay? So check it out, shoot me a mail, love to hear from you.
Okay, you do that. I take care now. I go. Okay.
See ya.